आम समाज रे नारी मान प्रति जो अन्याय और निर्यातन होची ताको बंद करिया दरकार।
आमे जदि भल रहमा हमर छुआ भल रहबा।
मोर जमीर अधिकार अछि, सब महिला को जमीर अधिकार दरकार।
शिक्षा आमर मौलिक अधिकार। मु आम गाँव में रही आम स्कूल रे पढ़ा को बहुत भल लगे।
हमको हथियार चाहिए, बंदूक नहीं, हमको पाटा चाहिए।
These are just a few of the voices from the millions of excluded, the marginalized and the ritually oppressed across India. Their stories are deeply disturbing and thought-provoking. In the last decade, India has seen phenomenal economic growth. But unfortunately, this growth has not contributed much in alleviating the problems of the excluded communities and groups across the country. Though numerous development programs have been initiated by the government and civil society, addressing problems of exclusion and discrimination has remained a challenging task. Concerted multi-sector intervention was needed to enhance the pace of reforms, and this was the genesis of International NGOs Partnership Agreement Program or IPAP. IPAP is a coalition of 7 international non-government organizations working in different thematic areas under one umbrella strategy for promoting equity and inclusion. The program focuses on the most excluded communities, particularly the scheduled castes or Dalits, scheduled tribes or Adivasis, Muslims, urban poor, persons with disabilities, with women and children as cross-cutting groups across 23 states in India. IPAP assists local community-based organizations and civil society organizations to enhance the capacity of the communities to demand their rights and entitlements guaranteed by the government. Right from its inception, IPAP identified and created strategic interventions for some of the most critical thematic areas. In the last 5 years, through concerted efforts, IPAP has achieved substantial results in these thematic areas. Let's have a look at a few of them.
आमर ई अंचलटा खाली हरिजन आदिवासी श्रेणी लोक माने थिले आउ स्वास्थ्य विषय रे आग काहाके किछि जणा नै थिला बहुत असुविधा भोग करूथिले.
Historically, Dalit and Adivasi communities have faced the brunt of exclusion and discrimination. Amongst other initiatives, IPAP worked closely with the local CBOs or community-based organizations to improve their access to medical facilities, healthcare, and also maintenance of their traditional forest-related livelihood. Here in Sambalpur, Manav Adhikar Seva Samiti or MAS is spearheading the initiative assisted by Skillshare.
इसका हेल्थ स्पेंडिंग बहुत हाई था, बेसिकली मलेरिया, डायरिया, स्किन डिजीज़ और वुमेन्स हेल्थ में बहुत सारे चीज़ था जिसमें ज़्यादा लोग खर्चा कर रहे थे, तो हम लोग इसके ऊपर इंटरवेंशन शुरू किए.
Access to healthcare has been an endemic problem for these people, coupled with lack of awareness and knowledge about the government programs that are in place for them to avail.
4-5 वर्ष पर कहीं स्वास्थ्य विषय रे नहीं बुझु थई आ निजर छुआ मन कर भी टीका केते बेले नेबे काना नेबे टाइम भी नहीं जानू थई कहले भी आसु नहीं थई. मास पार्टी भी आसला दिनु आमे सब जेकरी बुझेई करी से माने एछनी बुझी पालन आस्ते आस्ते.
Today, a host of healthcare related initiatives, especially with regard to anti and neonatal care and immunization, are being implemented on a regular basis.
भल से ताको आयरन टैबलेट 100टा खावार ले कहउ छे हॉस्पिटल नै करी आसा माने जाउ छन और सेनो डिलीवरी करी करी ताको आनु छन.
मोर हूँ दृष्टिहीन व्यक्ति मु पूरी टाउन ठारू आम मफसल ग्राम हूँ बहुत दूर तापर मु ये बाबद किसी जान नी।
Persons with disability face some of the most unpleasant forms of discrimination and exclusion. They are deprived of services and facilities available to the rest of the population. Puri is where the CSO or Civil Service Organisation Shri Narasingha Dev Anchalika Yuva Parishad or SINDAP is based. They work closely with persons with disabilities, especially women and children. SINDAP is assisted by Voluntary Services Overseas or VSO.
तो हमारा जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्पेसिफिक फॉर डिसेबिलिटी के ऊपर जो काम किया है, डिफरेंट जो CBR के ऊपर काम करे, कम्युनिटी बेस्ड रिहेबिलिटेशन फॉर पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, तो सारी पूरी सदर ब्लॉक के अंदर पूरा काम कर रहे हैं। तो जितना क्रॉस कटिंग डिसेबिलिटी है वो सारी के ऊपर अभी भी हम काम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं।
Training of volunteers is one of the key areas of focus for SINDAP and VSO. To sustain social change, it is necessary to create a motivated cadre of volunteers.
ଏହି ଅନୁଷ୍ଠାନରେ ମୁଁ ମାନସିକ ଅନଗ୍ରସର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କିଛି ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଶିକ୍ଷା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ନେଇଛି। ପିଲାମାନେ ମାନସିକ ଅନଗ୍ରସର ପିଲାମାନେ କିଭଳି ନିଜ ନିଜର କାମ କରିପାରିବେ ଏବଂ ବାପା ମା ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବେଶୀ କିଛି ହଇରାଣ ନ କରିବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ତାଙ୍କର କାମ କରିବାରେ ସହଯୋଗ କରୁଛି।
Under IPAP, persons with disabilities were mobilized to form disabled persons organizations to discuss issues and challenges and to devise solutions. Today, as a result of these endeavors, they have been able to access credit facilities and other government services to live their lives with dignity and independence.
पकड़ा भितर मु अंधकार रे थिली आलोक को देखिली मु भाबी नथिली मो पुओ केतेबेले चलिबो बोली जीवन रे मु देखिली जे मो पुओ एई भविष्यत पई गोटे बड़ मनीष हबो किंतु बड़ मनीष हेले किछि करिवो।
ये हरिजन टोला है, यहाँ सरकारी सुविधा कोई चीज़ का नहीं होता था। जैसे मेधालु जो भी थे, जो चौधरी टोला है, सब चौधरी टोला ही ले जाते थे अपना सरकारी सुविधा। इस सुविधा यहाँ पे नहीं थे।
Exclusion of marginalized communities when it comes to getting access to safe drinking water, sanitation and hygiene is another key issue that our next intervention helps to tackle. The organization Gram Jyoti is playing the role of enablers here with support from Water Aid. Gram Jyoti's greatest achievement has been the creation and nurturing of a cadre of Jal Sahiyas. These are a remarkable group of women volunteers who are spreading awareness about proper sanitation and hygiene in villages and schools in remote areas of Jharkhand.
वाटर के सहयोग से हम लोगों ने एक स्वच्छता पार्क बनवाया है और जल सहिया क्षमतावर्धन प्रशिक्षण में हम लोग ये पार्क में विभिन्न तरह के जो शौचालय के मॉडल बने हैं इसके बारे में बारीकी से जल सहिया को बताते हैं।
Over the last few years, Gram Jyoti has been working on various measures. Creation of training modules to be used as teaching aids by Jal Sahiyas is one of them.
अपने गांव में घर घर जाते हैं और पानी का सुरक्षा के बारे में, स्वास्थ्य के बारे में बताते हैं और गांव वालों को जानकारी देते हैं कि साफ सफाई रहने से बीमारी नहीं फैलेगी।
A demonstration center has been constructed for the training of Jal Sahiyas. Model toilets have been constructed for disabled persons, which are being replicated in far-flung areas. As of now, there is a cadre of more than 400 Jal Sahiyas to educate the community, and they are now in turn training more volunteers. The Jal Sahiya model also reinforces the role of women leadership in the village health and sanitation committees which is a part of the Gram Panchayat. In conclusion, Jal Sahyas and other volunteers are laying the solid foundations of development in these areas, which will be beneficial to the people for future generations as well.
झारखंड के सुदूर इलाके आदिवासी, दलित और निशक्त के साथ जुड़कर के कार्य कर रहे हैं, जहां हम लोगों ने पेयजल और स्वच्छता पे जागरूकता फैलाई और वो नतीजा धीरे धीरे अब हम लोगों को दिख रहा है।
एमती निज निजे भाविक निजक एकला एकला सहारा सहारा मोर कहीं भी नथिले पूरा बेसहारा ही गली इमिति कि मते खाइबा को मुठे जिमती न मिला भलिया ही गली मु 10 मास जाके।
Our next intervention focuses on one of the most disturbing and critical issues: violence against women. Data shows spousal cruelty and dowry-related violence accounts for a staggering 48% of total crimes against women. Weak law enforcement and gender insensitivity of the various state functionaries due to lack of training also accentuates the problem. Furthermore, lack of adequate systems for getting justice and rehabilitation leads to further victimization or ostracism of the women by the community. Indira Social Welfare Organization, or ISWO, is working closely with Oxfam in Dhenkanal.
डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस पे जो शामिल रहेंगे, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में हो या ग्रास रूट लेवल हो या गवर्नमेंट लोग हो, किस किस को लेके फिर कैसा काम किया जा सके, और इसका लॉ जो है DVA एक्ट जो 2005 का जो एक्ट बना हुआ है उसको कैसे DIR फाइल करके ठीक से एक महिला 60 दिन में उसका न्याय मिल पाए।
One of the remarkable features of ISWO's work here is the setting up of Women's Support Center at police stations. An otherwise daunting place has now been made easily accessible. At the support center, volunteers assist women in navigating legalities. Knowledge is imparted about their legal rights and filing of complaints.
मो माँ भी निर्यातना बहुत सही, तापर मो पुओ माने निर्यातना बहुत देचन, मो स्वामी देचंती झियो मानु को मते आउ ए सब समाज रे निर्यातना हबा कथा नुहे, एइडा हबाटा खराब है, समाज पे खराब है। मु जो जगह रे कहूची ए सुरक्षा महिला प्रकोष्ठ मो स्वेच्छार मु कहूची, एठिक आसिया पर मु बहुत सांत्वना पाइली, मु एबे भी सुता घरु गले भयभीत होची।
Proactive work is also done in terms of counseling in cases of spousal disputes.
मैरिज के बाद थोड़ा कुछ डिस्टेंस के जरिए से हम दोनों का दूरी थोड़ा बढ़ गया था और फैमिली के अंदर थोड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस हो गया था, तो मेरे एक कॉलीग हैं उनके रेफरेंस में मैं महिला जो वुमेन्स प्रोटेक्शन सेल जो है ना वहाँ से मैं सपोर्ट कुछ लेने के लिए अप्रोच किया था।
वुमेन सपोर्ट सेंटर से मुझे बहुत मदद मिली और मेरी लाइफ फिर से नई जैसे शुरू हो गई है अभी।
आम गाँव में भेदभाव थिला, पहले पुओ झील अलग अलग बसते तो जाति भेदभाव थिला, धनी गरीब भेदभाव थिला, तो समस्ते एमती अलग अलग बसिले।
Village volunteers are the backbone of every social reform program, and none more so than the children, as in our next intervention on the right to education and child protection. Peacock, or the People's Cultural Centre, is spearheading the initiative in Keonjhar with support from Save the Children.
We are creating awareness among the community and also we are educating the community about their rights so that they can raise voice against any kind of violence and also they can avail their rights and entitlements.
It has been observed that young people become extremely motivated when it comes to creating societal change. Peacock developed a remarkable program with children to create children's groups and child protection committees.
गाँ मानकर जिते सब समस्या रही आम ग्राम सभा दौ ग्राम सभा दे सारा पर आम सरकार पाखक पठाऊ एवं सरकार ठारू आम समाधान हुए समाधान को करिथाऊ।
What they lacked in years, they made up in terms of their zeal and dedication, and forced the adults to take notice of their efforts. They went from house to house to convince parents to continue sending their children to school. The children of these Dalit communities had an overriding desire for learning, which sadly had been out of their reach for many years. Today, due to the persistent efforts of these children and with help from villagers plus NGO partners, the government has opened 7 schools and Anganwadi centers in the project area. Focused intervention and assistance has restored the fundamental right to education of these children.
पचास वर्ष थी आ जमीन पर रहूँ छूँ आ जमीन कब्जो छोड़वा माटे थी गाम लोग मारा ऊपर धमकी घणी फेरा आपेली है पर छतां हूँ छोड़तो नहीं केम क्या करीने जतो रहूँ तो आ वतनी नहीं हूँ आईनो हूँ आईनो वाल्मीक नहीं।
A large part of IPAP deals with raising awareness and restoration of various rights of the Dalit community, one of the most marginalized communities of India. Dalits have been suffering exploitation and deprivation over centuries, ranging from usurpation of land, inaccessibility to water sources, to the practice of untouchability, violence against Dalit women, and human rights abuses.
ગામમાં બોર અવા સવા છતાં પણ અમારા લોકોના પાણી ભરવા માટે 2-3 કિલોમીટર બીજેથી પાણી ભરી લાવવું પડતું હતું. જ્યારે અમે બહુ રજૂઆત કરી ત્યારે અમારા માટે અલગ નળની વ્યવસ્થા કરવામાં આવી. બધી કોમના લોકો એક બાજુ થઈ જઈ અમારા દલિત કુંભવાળાને નહીં પાણી આપવું, નહીં કરિયાણાની દુકાને કંઈ આપવું, નહીં દૂધ આપવું, શાકભાજી આપવી, આવો અમારે એક બહિષ્કાર કરવામાં આવ્યો.
Here in Ahmedabad, Navsarjan Trust, with support from Christian Aid, has been working tirelessly to empower Dalit communities to fight discrimination and realize their rights.
We could focus on strengthening the leadership of the barefoot lawyers who are called paralegal. We trained them. We also ensured that they address the issues in their villages, which includes untouchability, discrimination in the public places, and also to address the issues through legal mechanisms.
These deeply motivated paralegals or foot soldiers take up the cause of Dalits at various levels. They conduct meetings to generate awareness about legal rights. They also assist villagers on a case-to-case basis, helping them to navigate through judicial processes.
અમારા ગામની અંદર અમને દલિતોને બધાથી જુદા પાડી દીધા હતા તો પછી મેં વિચાર્યું કે અમારા દલિતોને જુદા ના રહેવું જોઈએ એટલે મેં તાલીમ લીધી પેરાલીગમની નવસર્જન કે સાથ અને નવસર્જન કે પાસ તાલીમ લીધા પછી મેં વિચાર્યું કે હવે આપણે દલિતોને કોઈ છેટું ના રહેવું જોઈએ અને બધા જ હક મળવા જોઈએ આપણને.
NST's untiring efforts have brought about a sea change in attitudes and inclusion of Dalits in the mainstream. Today, Dalits have managed to get representation in the village panchayat with their very own sarpanch, elected from a general constituency, which in turn is now working to improve conditions of the community at all levels. NST's work has led to policy changes at several levels. However, there is much more to be done in order to sustain this social change. Tribal land rights are an extremely serious issue. In rural India, lack of agricultural land leads to perpetual dependence on the land-holding class for wage employment. Lack of homestead land implies lack of basic dignity and constant fear of eviction from one's house. This has been a burning issue for many years. Here in Ganjam, Action Aid has focused its efforts on tribal land rights for many years now.
Action Aid, in collaboration with District Administration Ganjam, started the initiative to guarantee homestead land rights to the single women in Ganjam district. This is a powerful process to help the women realizing their rights and help them to live a life with dignity and respect.
The project, in collaboration with government officials, identified 26,000 women who had been landless. Subsequently, more than 100 pattas or land deeds have been distributed and many more are in the process of being dispensed. The project also ensured that revenue inspectors make official notings of all land holdings and their registration in the name of their rightful owners. Helping people gain entitlement to land opens their lives up to many reforms. A significant benefit is that it helps them to register their identities in official government records.
ये जो पट्टा बंटा है एथिरे अधिकरू अधिक महिला माने साहाय्य पाई पारथिले जो थरे कि वृद्ध महिला आउ एकुटिया निसहाय महिला माने बहुत प्रकार साहाय्य पाइथिले.
This, in turn, means that they can avail of various government benefits specifically launched for them. Ultimately, they can apply for housing loans and construct their own homes.
बोपा माँ पाखे चलती बोपा माँ उतारू ए भाई भाउज पाखे बड़ कष्ट आका चलुली एबे जो सरकार देले पट्टाटिए मोर खुशी है खुशी हेले मु आउ बिपिली कार्डटिए इंदिरावास घरटिए होब बिपिली कार्डटिए मिल कि आउ किछि किछि मु पाई बोली मोर आशा खुशी मन खुशी.
"5 years, countless voices heard and hopes rekindled." IPAP has been a successful step in the right direction, reaching out to over 5.4 million people. But there is still much to be done. The journey continues, and we hope to reach out to many more unheard voices.